Hey everyone, Lucas Murphy, local realtor here in Waukesha County. Today I'm breaking down the July 2025 housing market straight from MLS data so you can see exactly what's happening in our neighborhoods. Whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the market, this will give you an edge you need to make confident decisions. Let's start with prices. The median sales price for all properties hit $525,000, which is up 8.2% from last year. For single-family homes, it's higher, $550,000, which is a 10% increase from last year. For buyers, this means you'll need to be prepared with competitive offers and financing locked in ahead of time. For sellers, this is still a strong opportunity to maximize your return, especially if you price strategically and present your homes well. Next, let's look at speed of sale. Single-family homes took a median of 19 days to sell, which is up slightly from last year by 11.8%. Overall, across all property types, the median days on market was sitting at 24 days. So buyers, this gives you a little bit more breathing room than you had last summer, but in competitive areas, homes still move quickly and often within the first week or two on the market. Sellers, since homes are taking a touch longer to sell, it's even more important for you to nail your pricing, presentation, and marketing from day one. In July, we saw 474 new single-family listings. That's 5.3% more than we had the same time last year. Buyers, more listing means more choice and possibly better negotiating power. Sellers, the flip side is more competition, so your home needs to stand out. Think professional photography, staging if it's necessary, and a strong online presence. Inventory is also up. We had 970 homes for sale across all property types, which is up almost 10% year over year. For single-family homes, the count was at 731, up 2.1%. Buyers, this extra supply gives you more options and more room to negotiate. While sellers, remember, more competition means you'll want to highlight what makes your home unique, whether it's location, updates, or lot size. The sale to list price ratio held steady at 101.2%. This means homes are still selling just over asking on average, even with the more inventory on the market. Buyers expect to pay close to or slightly above list price in popular areas, while sellers, this shows that correct pricing still attracts strong offers, but overpricing can push you into longer market times, which often lead to less money at the end of the day. As of mid-August, the 30-year fixed rate is at 6.71% and the 15-year is at 5.9%. Forecasters are expecting a modest drop to about 6.4% by the end of the year, but it's always just speculation. Buyers locking in now provide certainty, but waiting could save you a bit if interest rates fall in the fall. Sellers know that rate-sensitive buyers might be cautious. Offering incentives like a rate buy-down could make your property more appealing if you're struggling to get it off the market in those first couple weeks. Some areas are still extremely competitive. Waukesha's 53189 zip code, Delafield, Muskego, Brookfield, those are all seeing faster sales, and in some cases, bidding wars are still the norm. Buyers in these zips, you'll need to move quickly, be aggressive with offers, and sellers, being in one of these markets can help you command a premium if you price and present the property well. So what does this all mean? For buyers, you've got more options, a little more time, and potentially more negotiating power. But competitive pockets still move fast, so you have to act accordingly. Make sure you're working with your agent to figure out what the best strategy is for the particular home that you're writing an offer on. For sellers, you can still achieve strong results, but competition is higher, so pricing, condition, and marketing are more crucial than ever. The Waukesha market remains strong, but is showing an early sign of bounce, creating opportunities for both sides if you know how to navigate it. If you're thinking about making a move, let's talk. I can create a strategy tailored to your goals based on the latest data. You can schedule a no-obligation consultation with me via the Calendly link on the screen. You can reach out to me via email or text and call if you're more comfortable with that. I hope you guys enjoyed July's market update video. Can't wait to see you for August's.